Hello friends, a very good evening to all of you. So today I am present here with common and chemical names of compounds. It is very important from examination point of view. So let's start with dry ice. Dry ice, common name dry ice. Chemical name is solid carbon dioxide and its chemical formula is CO2. Next is slacked lime. Its chemical name is calcium hydroxide and its chemical formula is CaOH2. Then next is bleaching powder and its chemical name is calcium oxychloride and chemical formula is CaOCl2. Then Nausadar. It is very common question and it has been asked many times in SSC examination as well as PSCs. Then its chemical name is ammonium chloride and its chemical formula is NH4Cl. Next is caustic soda. Its chemical name is sodium hydroxide and its chemical formula is NaOH. Next is rock salt. We also called it common salt, which we use in household purposes, and its chemical name is sodium chloride and its chemical formula is NaCl. Next is potash alum. Its chemical name is potassium aluminium sulfate and you can see its chemical formula as written K2SO4 Al2SO4 24 molecules of water. Next is Epsom. It has been also asked in examination and its chemical name is magnesium sulfate and its chemical formula is MgSO4 and 7 molecules of water. Next is quicklime. Its chemical name is calcium oxide and its chemical formula is CaO. Then next is plaster of Paris. It is also very common and its chemical name is calcium sulfate and its chemical formula is CaSO4 and half molecule of water. Then gypsum. Its chemical name is calcium sulfate and its chemical formula is CaSO4 22 molecules of water. Then comes green vitriol. Its chemical name is ferrous sulfate and its chemical formula is FeSO4 and 7 molecules of water. Next is Mohr's salt. Its chemical name is ammonium ferrous sulfate. Its chemical formula is FeSO4 NH4 and 6 molecules of water. Next is blue vitriol. Its chemical name is copper sulfate and its chemical formula is CuSO4 and 5 molecules of water. Next is white vitriol and its chemical name is zinc sulfate and its chemical formula is ZnSO4 7 molecules of water. Then marsh gas. It is most important from examination point of view because has been asked many times in SSC examination as well as PSCs and many more. Its chemical name is methane and its chemical formula is CH4. Vinegar, which we use in our household purposes, okay, and its chemical name is acetic acid and its chemical formula is CH3COOH. Then potash ash. Its chemical name is potassium carbonate and its chemical formula is K2CO3. Then hypo. Its chemical name is sodium thiosulfate and here you can see its chemical formula. Next is baking powder. Its chemical name is sodium bicarbonate and its chemical formula is NaHCO3. Then comes washing soda. Its chemical name is sodium carbonate and its chemical formula is here Na2CO3 and 10 molecules of water. Next is magnesia. Its chemical name is magnesium oxide and its chemical formula is MgO. Next is chalk marble. Its chemical name is calcium carbonate and its chemical formula is CaCO3. Then last in this list is lunar caustic and its chemical name is silver nitrate. Here are some more compounds. Then laughing gas. It is also very common question. Its chemical name is nitrous oxide and its chemical formula is N2O. Then comes chloroform. Its chemical name is trichloromethane and its chemical formula is CHCl3. Then comes vermilion, जिसे हम हिंदी में सिंदूर कहते हैं. Its chemical name is mercuric sulfide and its chemical formula is HgS. Then borax. Its chemical name is borax and its chemical formula, here you can see Na2B4O7 and 10 molecules of water. Then the last is caustic potash. Its chemical name is potassium hydroxides and its chemical formula is KOH. That's all for today. Thanks for watching my video and please do subscribe if you like it. Thank you. And yes, of course, don't forget to hit the bell icon.